Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Walgreens application on your iOS device. If you want to manage prescriptions, shop online and access exclusive deals, downloading the Walgreens app on your iPhone is the perfect solution. First of all, open up your App Store from your iOS device. In the search box, type in Walgreens. Once you have the Walgreens app in the search results, go ahead and get it by tapping the Get button. If prompted, confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait for a couple of minutes and your application download should complete. After the download is completed, tap on the Open button, which should be available right beneath the app, and then you can now refill prescriptions, browse products, and enjoy exclusive discounts right from your phone. That is how you easily download Walgreens on your iOS. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, like, share, and subscribe for more. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.